welcome to the Star City Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I'm Miss Sharon, and I'm going to read a book today called Snow Happy, and it's by Patricia Hubbell, and it's from Scholastic Publishers. Okay, let's see what happens. We're silly, willy, laughy, feeling slightly daffy, leaping through the snow. Snow happy. We're skiing and we're sliding. Down our hill we're gliding. We trudge back up and shout, snow happy. Dogs are yippy yapping. Each one is snowflake snapping, lapping up the snow. Snow happy. We're packing snow and smacking. We're dodging and we're whacking. Snowballs fly and we're snow happy. We're shoveling out the sidewalks, making brand new wide walks. Grandpa and Grammy look snow happy. Our snowman's tippy-dumpy, but none of us are grumpy. We fix him up till he's snow happy. We're trying to build an igloo, an icy gleaming bigloo. We dig and pile and pack, snow happy. In drifts where we were lying, snow angels now are flying. They stare up at the sky, snow happy. We're tired, cold, and soaking, but we're laughing, shouting, joking, tramping back indoors, snow happy. Drinking nice hot cocoa, we watch the sparkling snow blow. Winter makes us all so happy. Yes, it does. We love winter and we love the snow. We've had a nice big snow. Okay, if you went to the library to pick up your packet, this is what you'll find. You'll find a piece of blue paper and you will find a white snow house. Now this has a door and windows that open, as you can see. So only put the glue on the back where there's no openings, and then glue it on the paper. And then you can take a white crayon or a blue crayon and you can make some snow coming down, some snow on the ground. And then you can open these and you can draw people in them, animals, pictures, anything that you would like to make your snow house. Okay, the next thing that you're going to make is a really cool snowflake picture. So you're going to glue this big snowflake on, then glue the smaller snowflake in the middle, and then you'll have a sticker snowflake to go there. And then you can decorate this also if you'd like, okay? And then the last thing is a little stand up, and I'm going to give you a person or a character. I'm going to give you a tree and some snowflakes, and then you make any kind of picture with that you would like. You could draw a house, you could make some more trees, you could draw some children, whatever. And this stands up and you can put it on your nightstand or on your dresser or a desk. Okay? So until next time, keep reading and I'll see you. Bye-bye.